Okay, the first thing we're going to show you here is the installation of Java. Java is a required element for use of the Score program. I'm going to show you the installation of Java. Uh, the four main browsers that people use are Chrome, Internet Explorer, Edge, and Mozilla. First, I'm going to show you the installation of Java in Chrome. But there are older versions of Java out there, and may or may not be installed on your machine already. So the easiest way to find out is come to Cortana if you're in Windows 8 or 10. If you're in Windows 7, you can hit the start button and go to the search panel and just type control panel. It'll auto-populate usually, and we're going to go to control panel and we're going to uninstall a program, and with them organized by name, we want to make sure that Java is not listed here alphabetically on our list of installed programs. Reason being is that old versions of Java, and I mean old like version 6.4 for instance, when you run the new installation of Java, it is designed to remove the older versions. However, sometimes it won't install the newer version, so you actually would have to go through the process twice. So the easier way is just to make sure any older Java, older than 201, 8.201, which is the current version, is not showing up on your installed version of Java here in Control Panel. So I already uninstalled Java from my machine, and I know I'm ready to go and make sure I got a fresh, clean install. So I'm going to go to Chrome as my first example, and pardon all my tabs up here. These are the tabs I work with daily. Now, a lot of people will start here in a web search browser window, and that's not what we want to do. We want to go straight to the address bar and simply type java.com. And that will bring us to the Java site without it being from any third-party site where you run the risk of downloading other programs other than Java or along with Java. So we always want to go right up here and type just java.com. And from this page you see the free Java download. Now in most browsers you're going to see this little message. And all that message means is that Java is no longer supported in a lot of browsers, and that's fine. We're not installing Java for our browser usage. We're installing Java for Score. Score requires that Java be there or it won't run properly. So I'm simply going to click on agree and start the download. And in Chrome, it'll come right down here and tell you when it's installed. This little circle will go away, and we can, in Chrome, we can just click the opening, click the Java install. We want to tell Windows that we trust it because we know we're getting it straight from java.com, and it'll bring up the welcome to Java installation. Now I can close my browser at this time because I'm done. The program is local and going to install locally, and we're just going to select the default. So install, gives a little important information again. None that this here is talking about changes coming in April of 2019. But again, these all refer to browser activity, not outside Java programs, which is what Score is. So I'm going to hit OK. And then the installer will go out to the Java website and it'll download all the other components needed for Java and install them. And this will take a few minutes. This dictates how fast your internet speed is, how fast your computer is, as to how long it'll take to install. We're going to give it just a minute here to finish. And the screen will go away and bring up, hopefully, you have successfully installed Java. And we're going to say close. Now we can verify that by repeating the process and going to Control Panel and uninstall a program. And if I list them by date now over here, installed on, and go to the top one, I'll notice I have now Java 8 Update 201 currently installed. And we know that we've got Java done successfully. Within the other three browsers, it's all the same procedure. Always go to your address bar. Don't go to any sort of search links depending on what your home page is, Yahoo or Google or whatnot, and simply type java.com and it'll take you to the exact same place. I'm going to open up Edge and I'm going to go straight to the address bar, java.com, same place, and Mozilla, straight to the address bar, java.com, right to the same place. So the procedure is the same between all four browsers, these being the four most popular browsers that people use. So that's step one of getting Score installed properly. Java has to be there first, and that concludes the installation process of Java for Score.